Hello everybody, my name is Brandon W997 here, and I got a quick bike check here for you. Alright, starting up top, because that's what everyone does. I got Colt, the Heart grips right here, with King Fighter spar ends, in Battleship Gray or whatever. Demolition Uptown bars. Moving down, just stock Sabrosa forks. And then next we have the there you go. Next we have the right here we have the Demolition Momentum tire. 2.35. It's a frickin' fat tire. And then a Shadow Conspiracy rim with a Shadow hub. Moving back, you got the Sabrosa frame. It's like I don't even know what the top tube is. I think it's like 20.5. E-Clat slim seat. It's like fuzzy. Just the stock cranks. Odyssey twisted PCs. Brand new. Little white things. Sprocket. The just Sabrosa one. KMC chain. Don't like it very much. Kind of shitty. Moving back. Got the Shadow rim with a stock Rant hub. With another Demolition Momentum. Spin her around here for you. This bike is dialed. Hey, well, I just like blew up my pizza. Don't mind me. Okay, this side, I got the G-Sport gland hub guard in the back, stolen thermalite pegs, Shadow bottom bracket, stolen thermalite peg, G-Sport gland up the front too. I got the Sabrosa hold-on stem flipped upside down, making my bars a little taller. With the, I already mentioned the tire. Got some little dices here. The tires are crazy. Love them. Stance comp. Yep. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Here's the whole bike.